I'm the youth administrator here at Elite. Here we like to have a lot of fun. Kind of our mission is the whole person approach. We want to teach the kids also be a good person on and off the court.
Now for some of them it's just about having fun, coming here and playing tennis, which is actually very special because they get to come here and then they come the one time for one session and then they keep coming back.
We teach the basics, the forehand, the backhand, the serve, match plays. So when they go for a tournament, they're prepared.
It's been part of my job here just to not only help them on the tennis court, but also outside the tennis court. And you try to be kind of a mentor for some of them, like a big brother for some of them.
Just to watch the kids grow is a really cool experience for me. I love every kid, each individually in a different way. Some of the fun things we do here, especially during our summer camps, we do some things like water balloons, having the kids hit them, different kinds of cone drills where if the kids hit cones, they get a prize. And we also do ice cream or popsicles, and they're feeling good and having fun.